Welcome. In this video, I'm going to briefly run through my Figma wireframes and prototypes, and then show you how I've converted this design into an example web page in Webflow. To begin, these are the wireframes for each device. I didn't get too thorough with this part. Next, the hi-fi wireframes. You can see the components and the interactions. These are adjusted slightly from the lo-fi version, but mostly the same. Onto prototypes, just screen recordings from the Figma app. This is the desktop. The heart button is clickable. Basic drop down button. Tablet prototype, mostly same layout as the desktop. Interactions are the same. Here's the mobile version. It's a little different. This is scrollable. This is the same, the features section. But below this, the Sense section has been moved. The drop-down still works. In Webflow or the working website. This looks pretty similar. I will note that I used Firefox for the prototypes in Figma, but this is being previewed in Webflow on Chrome. So the rendering of the fonts and colors sort of different, but I can't really do anything to change that. The other noticeable difference is the micro interactions of the feature shop button. This is quick to prototype in Figma, but setting the interactions in Webflow was a bit more complicated, so I just let it be similar in the end. Carousel works even better than the way I quickly prototyped it in Figma. I also styled Webflow's commerce checkout page. Again, mostly the same. I use the standard device sizes in Webflow rather than matching them directly to my frame size in Figma. This was probably not the best decision, but I think it worked out for the most part. Last is the mobile view. Again, it's basically the same, pretty much matches everything from the Figma version. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.